using the shoulder pulley here to assist our arm through a pain-free range of motion. In this example, our right shoulder is the involved arm. We're going to use a stride stance. The significance of that is that it allows us to integrate the arm movement into more of a functional pattern as we incorporate our rotation around our hips and around our torso. It would look like this. So you throw the pulley over the top of your door, and I'll be pulling down with my left as my arm reaches up to the tether point. I come back to at least the pocket, if not a little bit further. What you can't appreciate is that I'm keeping the tension on the string the entire time with my left. So it's an active assisted motion, going through the comfortable range. Our goals are pain-free, range of motion of the shoulder, trying to maximize how high we can get and how low we can get towards our pocket. And you can notice that the slight torso rotation, which is actually quite natural when we get into higher level functional exercises. Okay, spend 3, maybe 5 minutes, use it as a warm-up. We also talked about variations of pulley movements. And this is an overarching principle that adding variation to exercise is really critical to have a more comprehensive approach to our care. So number 2, we use the stool. I'll swing around here. Great. So it can be uncomfortable for the shoulder to go straight up like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the string around with our left hand, and we're going to use this thumb up position as we go up as high as we can. Okay? There's no right or wrong height. It's really only dependent upon the shoulder comfort. Okay? And then I'm coming back down. Again, this is where your brain's going to want to engage the right shoulder. I'm going to have to pull tight with the left as I lower it back down. Come up nice and slow. The tempo is self-determined. Again, I encourage you to set a timer for 3-5 minutes. That way you don't have to focus on the repetitions. You focus just on the movement quality and supporting the right arm. Okay, third variation is what we call scaption, where my arm slot is no longer forward, it's off to the side by about 30 degrees. So if we swing off to the side, we can see that it's not purely here, which would be likely a challenge for the shoulder at this stage, but really at this 45-degree mark. Same bit. I'm wrapped up, the left arm's doing the work, I pull up as far as I can. Big breath in, big breath out, controlling it down, keeping the tension on the string as I come back down. Go, man.
Perfect.